Good day. I hope you're doing great. So today let's just go straight to our quick analysis or our quick market update, especially on Nasdaq and US30, or Nasdaq, US30, gold, and the other ones. But actually, this is supposed to be on a Nasdaq because that is my actually the primary instrument that I actually trade. So since it's Monday, I don't really see much. That's why they actually did this analysis a bit late. So at the moment, we can see that we are on our economic calendar. Monday, let's say we don't really have anything because this was like seriously early. So which means we're gonna we'll have to wait for Tuesday, which is tomorrow. We see CPI from Canada around 3:30. 9 a.m. on Wednesday, we see GBP CPI. This might also move the market, especially on GBP. It seems like inflation's it's starting to go a little bit higher, guys. Slowly, inflation is picking up. We saw the one on the US dollar. It was going up also. So on Thursday, we have a lot of stuff. Don't forget unemployment claims or jobless claims, but we also have these PMIs. So yeah, let's see. Okay, Friday. Oh, it's Friday. Those PMIs that are on Friday. Unemployment claims as always or as usual. It's mostly on Thursdays. So PMI is gonna be on Friday. So I think we don't really have much. I think this week is going to be a little bit slower. So when we go on the market, or firstly, let me go on the indicator that we have and see if maybe there is any opportunity that we can look at. At the moment, you can see that we don't really have much here. The market has been going down. I don't think, even though the indicator is telling you to sell, you will be looking for a sell because it's been selling for quite some time, right? So you can see the red one means sell, and the blue one means it's where you're supposed to do what? Where you're supposed to look for that buy. So let's see if maybe we can get something. Let's start with GBP. GBP at the moment, the last signal, it was this sell here, and we see a cross that shows anyone who sold to get out. At the moment, we don't really have anything. Okay, it's fine. Let's see gold. Okay, I did not really see this one. On gold, I see a buy here. Just look what the market did there. The market is now going up. I will check that because I did not really check that on the chart. German, let's see. Okay, German is still doing its thing. I like what I see here, but I don't really trade German 30 that much or German 40. I like what I've seen on gold. Usoil, I was also expecting a very nice buy, and it's finally going up. I'm supposed to jump in here, which is good. So for those who want this system, guys, because you can see you can get signals very quick, it's actually 149. But if you are a member already, it means you're gonna pay only 110. If maybe you are interested, let me know. Because you're gonna get some extra signals at your own time. Scan that QR code, talk to me on our WhatsApp. So now, yeah, it's fine. Let's go on the charts and see what's really happening. We are on Nasdaq, or let me start with DXY because this video is supposed to be quite short. It's just a market quick analysis actually. So we see that the market is still where it was on a daily time frame, so we don't really see much. So on the dollar index, we see that the dollar is still actually looking aggressively positive, which means the dollar is quite stronger. So I thought maybe I will have something like a nice reversal, but it seems like the market is still playing around the same level. So you can see here the market is just consolidating above that breakout. So if you can check this closer, it seems like the market slowly it's creating something like that. Do you see that? It seems like the market is creating a nice support area, but don't forget to have your horizontal support and resistance. So this might be like that. So which means there is a room for the market to do what? To continue to go to the upside. But at the moment, we can see that it's actually consolidating. But at the end of the day, this is an uptrend, especially when we broke out here. that is actually a very nice breakout. So if you are new to this channel, if you never subscribed, smash that subscribe button. It's good just to grow the channel. So now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? You saw on the, let's see that gold on the indicator. This is a very nice buy. Let's see where it's this buy around 2562 2563, not 2. So it seems like, let's see, come on, we don't really want this to come on the other screen. Anyways, 5263. Okay, it seems like that order, it was around this level, so which means it was not really bad. It was not really bad because there was another one here. But what's really happening on gold? We know that the market was still going in this aggressive uptrend. I'm talking about like last week. So we got a nice breakout. At the moment, we can see that even though the market is trying to reverse here, already we broke out, which means we are actually on a downtrend structure. So the market might end up continuing like that. But with the stories that I hear online about the economy, especially in the US, it seems like the dollar is going to pick up. The dollar might pick up very aggressive. So, but we'll have to wait and see. If it picks up, that will be fine, because at the moment we'll have to draw something like that. But at the moment, to be safe, I won't actually be entertaining the market. It's Monday, so which means I have to just relax and see what will happen. But at the moment, this structure is very nice. You can see a nice breakout, because at the moment the market might respect this level here. We have other areas there that the market can respect, so jumping in there is not really safe. But here I think it was much better, especially if maybe you had that indicator, because it showed you where to get in very quick. So US30, if you still remember, on US30 we were still on this nice aggressive uptrend structure. So it shows us that we are still on this nice uptrend, even though the market tried to actually show us that it's time for it to go a little bit lower. You see that? So that's how it is. So you can see here that the market seems to be respecting our previous resistance. This might be our new support. Do you see that? So obviously we expect the market to continue going up from here, but be extra careful, because this bullish move was never actually recovered. So it seems like the market can still break out of that. But if the market gives us a good sign here, because we saw that since last week the market has been struggling around this level, so which means the market might do what? The market might start to go even higher. I hope maybe that makes sense. And as you saw, we don't really have much of the economic news, so which means yeah, the market might just move very nice. So this might be a very proper support. So we are on Nasdaq. You can see that Nasdaq also did have an aggressive sell. The overall structure, maybe you saw that the market was moving like that. It was going up. We had a breakout there. Then the market came back again. So which means this is going to be our new support level. So there is a chance that the market can just play around before we see a nice push to the upside. But at the moment, it's actually very closer to festive seasons, or let's say closer to December. So mostly these companies, they can perform very well because people are spending. So which means we might start to see a nice reversal. If that doesn't really happen, obviously the market has to break this support. But at the moment, since the market is still moving above our support area, it means that we are still very bullish. We are going higher and higher. I hope that makes sense. And let's push to the next one and see if maybe we can get something. You can see that this is playing games with us. It's Usoil. We actually had a buy pending order, but it seems like the market is now reversing. I think it was around this level. So it's still actually valid. So you can see that this is actually a support. On top there, it's also something. But the overall structure, I hope you can see that if we look for a buy there, it's actually just scalping. It's not like you have to buy and hold, because the overall structure here is still telling us that we are on a downtrend, which means oil is weaker. So which means we will see the market going lower. I like where the market is because this has a positive impact on inflation. The more oil goes down, the more inflation also goes down. You see, I like what I see, but the economic news that we saw before last week and last week, they were quite positive. So that is not really good, you see. But where we are now, if you take a buy, be extra careful. I'm expecting to see the market continuing to buy, you see. So I think maybe this is enough. For those who want the system, don't forget that if you are already a member, you can get the system for $110. Or if maybe you are new to this team, you never joined anything from our side, then it's 149. So, but there's nothing much. It's not like maybe you're paying a lot. So, and it's working very nice. It's working very nice. So yeah, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. You can scan that QR code to get the system. You can see if maybe you were on gold, obviously you already smashing, you were already eating. So anyways, thank you very much. I see that you're not seeing that. I was talking about this area. If maybe you bought gold, obviously you were smashing. Easy as that. So thank you.